All right, we're back doing Lindbergh Airlines Chapter 20, question number 2. They're going to make an offer for another company called Flight Simulators Inc. And Flight Simulator Inc. are currently, so the shares are selling for 56, and we're going to offer a 50% premium. So the 50% premium would be $28 and would be approximately $84 in total, but let's do the calculation. So the current price is 58. It's a 50% premium, so 0.5. So we need to calculate the 58 times 1 plus the 0.5, or $87. So the value offered per share is $87. And when we check, it gives us the wrong answer. Okay, that's because I typed 58, not 56. Oh dear. Okay. So let's try 84. There we go. Okay, 84. There, now Connect is happy. Okay, so 56, 56, not 58. Super. All right, so suppose before the offer is actually announced, the share price of Flight Simulators rises to $75 because of the strong merger rumors. If you buy the shares at that price and the merger goes through at the price which we computed, which is 84, calculate your percentage gain. So B, we bought it for 75 and sold it for 84. So our gain is going to be the difference between the two, or $9. And then we will just simply take the $9 and divide that by what we paid, the 75, which is going to be 12%. It says to round to 2 decimals, and 9 out of 75. Well, we can check to see whether we have any more missing decimals. We'll just expand it a little bit here. Whoops, going the wrong direction. Expand it a little bit. No, it's just straight 12%, so we're good. So 12%. And once again, we can check. And we're in agreement with the connected gerbils. Next, C, there's always the possibility that the merger could be called off, in which case the price could go back to where it was before, in which case we would have purchased it for 75, and we would only be able to sell it for the 56, that number up there. So they want to know what the percentage loss is in that case. So, whoops, that's the wrong one to do. 56 is what we got for it, so we can use the same calculation as we did up here. And just copy it down. And in that case, we're actually losing $19, which means we lost 25.3%. So the 19 as a percentage of the 75 is a loss of 25.33%. It says round the final answer to 2 decimal places, so 25.33 should do the trick. And let's check. It indeed does. Not quite done, because there's question number D1 and D2. It says D1 suggests that we apply a probability distribution. Okay, having trouble just typing D1. All right, super. So D1 says we're going to apply a probability distribution. So that's actually, I'm going to go over here and write probability. And the probability is 80% that we're going to get case B, and 20% that we'll get case C. And so we're supposed to calculate the expected value of the return. So we're taking the return as a percentage. We can see here it's asking us for the percentage. So we're going to take the probability and multiply it by the return and then add them up. So if we go 80% times 12%, we end up with 0.096. And then if we take 20% times the bad outcome, oh, that's not really what I want. I must have multiplied something incorrectly. Let's just copy this one, because I'm pretty confident in that one. Okay, that makes a little more sense. If I double click, we have G6, the probability times the return, works out to, whoops, stop. Works out to that number. And then of course the expected return is just going to be the total of the two. So just the sum, if you like, of those two, of 0.045333. So the expected return rounded to 2 decimals is 4.53. And it does appear to be a good investment because we're still getting a positive return. Of course, it doesn't really tell us what time frame we're looking at. So that could be a not such a great expected value of the return if it takes us a year to earn it. But our answers are correct. And we're done question number 2.